The new YouTube update 2024 is YouTube is removing the hashtag section right now.
Don't say that.
As a YouTuber, have you been making use of hashtag? Do you even know how to make use of hashtag? My name is OGOM'S. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I am your one to go YouTube Masterclass first class holder for your YouTube tips and growth. And let us talk about hashtag today. Welcome back. I got this particular question from the comment section where someone is asking, how do I add hashtag? What is the right way for me to add my hashtag? Now, the reason I said that YouTube is removing the hashtag is, if you as a YouTuber, you are not using the hashtag box, you are not using the hashtag section, they should kukuma remove it for you because you are not making use of it.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
So today we'll be talking about hashtag. What is hashtag? Do you make use of hashtag as a YouTuber? Even on other social media platforms, on Instagram you make use of hashtag, on TikTok you make use of hashtag, on YouTube you should make use of hashtag, and on Facebook you should make use of hashtag. But I'm here to bust your bubble because making use of hashtag is not a criteria for your video to go viral.
The movie is sharp.
Just make sure that you are doing your video optimization right. Then the hashtag follows. Why should I use a hashtag on my video? Reason why you should use a hashtag on your video is someone might come to the YouTube platform to search for a particular thing. And some people, they don't really know how to do their search. They might come to the YouTube and they will search hashtag how to make jollof rice. And if you have made use of a hashtag, maybe you are in the cooking niche, or maybe you are in the lifestyle niche, and people come to the YouTube search and they're searching for hashtag Abuja content creators, hashtag Abuja vlog, hashtag market vlog, hashtag how to make jollof rice, hashtag how to make egusi soup. Your video might tend to pop up when they're making their search. And if it is a video that they want, they will definitely click to watch that particular video. And once someone comes to the YouTube search bar, search for a video and clicks on your video, that video is going to be popping up on that person's homepage every time they open up the YouTube platform. Okay, so it's equally an added advantage. But are you doing the right thing adding hashtag on your video? Because people are not using the relevant hashtag that is related to the topic that they have talked about. I have talked about this severally. You cannot cook jollof rice and you are using hashtag OGOM'S. I don't have a business with a video that you have made jollof rice in. You cannot make egusi soup and you are using hashtag daenekweme, hashtag Wudimaya. Wetin concern Wudimaya for your cooking video? Wetin concern Wudimaya with your market video? I don't understand. Let's be using reasonable hashtag. Now YouTube has made it that you can use up to 60 hashtags on your video, not more than 60 hashtags on your video. If not, your video is going to be shadow banned.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
If not, your video, they're not going to push it out. Like, it will slow the progress of that particular video. Use only, for me, I don't even use up to 60. I think I use like 15 to 30 hashtag on a particular video. Sometimes I don't use hashtag. For example, if you go to your description box, the amount of hashtag that should be in your description box is only 3 hashtag, and that 3 hashtag is going to come out in your title. Only 3. If you put more than 3, there is no need for you putting more than 3, because it is, if you put more than 3, I think that hashtag is not going to show in your title. So the maximum of hashtag that should be in your description box is only 3 hashtag. YouTube has made a space or a section whereby you should add hashtag to your video, whereby you should do your category in your video, whereby you should do your description. There is space for you there. Don't go to your description box and jam pack so many hashtags there. It is not meant for that place. You are the one even making your videos not to get view. You are the one that is slowing the progress of your video because you are using the space that you are not meant to use. There is a space for you to make use of your hashtag. I'll be putting a video here. Now, how do I add hashtag in my video? Watch. So we will be working with our YouTube mobile studio. Please, if you don't have that, go and download it. This is our homepage when you log into your mobile YouTube studio. These are all the videos and the ones that have the latest comments. All you have to do is to click on content. When you click on content, you will see videos and you will see shorts. Click on the videos and then click on view all. These are all the videos that I have on my channel. You're going to click on the video that you want to edit, the description and the rest of them. Whenever you click on any video on your YouTube studio, this is what you're going to see: the visibility, the monetization, the restriction, and you're going to click on the pen that you will see on top of there. That is to edit that particular video. You will go to your description and you'll be adding what that video is all about. Now, on that same home page of your video, you are going to see visibility, whether you want to take your video, whether you want to upload your video on private, on unlisted. You will see the monetization. If you don't want to make money from the video, kukuma off the monetization. So you're going to click on of the monetization and you're going to see the playlist where you want that video to go. Maybe if you have playlist on your channel and you arrange them, you're going to push this video to masterclass depending on what your video is all about. And after clicking on the necessary things, save them. Now we'll be going to click on the pen sign again for you to edit the description of that particular video. You will still come back to this home page. Click on add description. This is a place whereby you'll be telling your audience what your video is all about. If it is a cooking video, if it is a lifestyle video, whatever video it is, tell people this. And when you're doing that, make sure that your first 30 sentence on any description video is telling people what they're about to watch. Don't come and start telling us a long grammar. Say what the video is all about immediately. This is a video on how to grow your channel in 2024. Whatever it is you want to write, full stop, you save that. I always love saving so that I don't make mistake and the thing goes off. I'm going to give like a space and then I'll put my hashtag. Hashtag YouTube video tips, hashtag YouTube channel, hashtag Abuja YouTuber, whatever hashtag you want to use. Make sure that only 3 hashtag is in your description box. Only 3 hashtag. These 3 hashtag that you're seeing right now is going to be what people see when they are viewing your video. That is, they will see it on your title. As you can see, I am putting only 3 hashtag. Hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag OGOM'S series, hashtag how to grow your channel. I am going to save. If you don't want to save immediately, you want to wait till you do everything, that's fine. Now you're going to be clicking in the tags section for which you are going to see previously. Here you're going to see add hashtag, does this video include paid promotion? All these things are in your YouTube studio. Scroll around your YouTube studio. I have said that severally. I'm going to be clicking on the add hashtag. Now a lot of people were asking, how do I add my hashtag? Should I write first of all hashtag how to make jollof rice, or I should just start how to grow my channel? Anywhere you put, anyhow you put it, even if you're putting hashtag as first, make sure that you are putting comma. Anything you write, put comma. Once you put comma, the thing is automatically putting the hashtag for you. Now you can see the second letter that I'm writing, or the second sentence that I'm writing, hashtag YouTube tips, write comma, it is going to enter immediately. Even if you don't want to put hashtag in front, just write it anyhow. What matters is that you are putting the comma and you are pressing anything. Don't press enter. Once you put comma, it automatically enters for you. Always use relevant hashtag that is related to that particular video. You cannot cook jollof rice and you are writing Abuja YouTuber, or you are writing how to become a millionaire, or how to make money online. Wetin concern how to make money online with your jollof rice video? You can see that I'm playing around with my hashtag, adding the relevant hashtag of this particular video, because it is a sit down video of a YouTube masterclass. I always use my name whenever I am doing hashtag because I am a somebody. I am a person, so I should use my name, not be by to use anybody name, unless the person I'm using in my hashtag is related to my video. If that person no get any business with my video, why would I put the person's name there? So I am using the relevant hashtag. You can see I am using some of my hashtag as hashtag how to start a YouTube channel. Even if I don't want to use it, what matters is that I am putting comma anytime I finish writing any sentence. When you are done with your hashtag, go through the other analytics that you need to fix in your video. Click on the arrow. That arrow will actually take you back to the home page of your video, and then you can either put unlisted or you put public. After everything, you have to save. Now, in a way for you to be sure that the 3 hashtags that you have put in your description box is actually showing on the video, click on the third feature which says view on YouTube. Now you're going to view that particular video that you have done the necessary description and the rest of them. If you click on the description, you'll be seeing the 3 hashtags that I have put in that particular video. Only 3 hashtags should show on your video. No other thing should be showing on the title of your video. The necessary relevant hashtag should be shown on your video. When you're done with everything, still go back to your YouTube studios. You can see the hashtag YouTube tips that I use for my video. I clicked on it and you can see the other people or the other content creators that have used that particular hashtag YouTube tips on their particular video. So anytime someone comes to YouTube and click on, maybe he or she is searching for something and click on hashtag YouTube tips, your video will pop up. After you are done putting your hashtag, you should ask yourself, before I use a hashtag, what are the types of hashtag I should use in my video? I'll be categorizing it for you. If you are in the lifestyle niche and you are in Port Harcourt, and for that particular day you went to your warehouse side and the rest of them, you are based in Port Harcourt. Let me not use Abuja as an example, or rather let me use Abuja because I'm based in Abuja. The hashtag you should use as a lifestyle content creator that is in Abuja is hashtag Abuja vlog, hashtag Abuja lifestyle, hashtag life in Abuja, hashtag living in Abuja. That one is set aside for a lifestyle content creator that is based in Abuja. This also goes to people that are based in other states. Hashtag Abuja Port Harcourt YouTuber, hashtag Lagos YouTuber, hashtag life in Lagos, hashtag lifestyle Lagos living. These are the type of hashtag. You should twist it. You should be creative. If you're a content creator, your brain should be working bang, 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 bang. Okay. Use relevant hashtag. If for that particular day in the lifestyle you went for a wedding, Abuja wedding, wedding digest, you know the things to use. If you are in the sewing niche, like Style by Remedem, if they go to their hashtag, they'll be doing Ankara styles, wedding, Ankara wedding, Bella Niger wedding, because these are the people that are related to the sewing niche, because Bella Niger wedding might come across that particular style and post it for people to sew. And if you are in the cooking niche, if you have made ofo ogbono soup, hashtag ogbono soup recipe, hashtag how to make ogbono soup, hashtag ingredients for making ogbono soup, hashtag ogbono soup with vegetable, hashtag ogbono soup with spinach. These are the relevant hashtags you should use for your cooking. If you have made isiewu without potage, hashtag how to make isiewu, hashtag isiewu recipe. If you are in the gaming niche, hashtag if it was roadblocks that you did, hashtag roadblocks. If you have done unboxing, hashtag unboxing video. You tag that particular item. Maybe I have unboxed my Stanley Cup, hashtag Stanley Cup, hashtag where to get Stanley Cup in your state. These are the relevant hashtags to use. If you have unboxed camera, hashtag vlogging camera, hashtag camera for vlogging, hashtag camera setting, hashtag wet if it's an Osmo camera, hashtag DG Osmo, hashtag Osmo camera. If you have gone to the market, hashtag market vlog, hashtag prices of foodstuff in your state, hashtag prices of cost of living in your state, cost of foodstuff in Abuja, cost of foodstuff in Nigeria. Make your hashtag to be in line with the video that you have created. Don't do don't create a video we are seeing you all over the place. Person when don't get business for your video, you go carry a contact for your video. Waiting concern me for your video. I'm sorry, but I need to tell you guys the harsh truth, okay? Even if you want to tag people, make sure that you have used the relevant hashtag. For now, if I want to eat my cake and still have it back, I can tag Sisi Yemi to my food. because I know that Sisi Yemi is a food content creator that is well known. These are the people that you should tag to your videos. Even the tag, you tag Flo Chinyere, you tag Zilicious. Those people, your video can only pop up when people come to YouTube to come and search for their name. It not gonna pop up when they search for food. That is it. Sisi Yemi is a well-known food content creator. So if people are searching for her, it already built them brand. You are still building your brand. So make use of the relevant hashtag that you need for your particular video. I guess we are communicating now. Anytime you want to do your hashtag, now hashtag a day in my life in Abuja, comma. If you do that comma, you will see that thing will give a space. If you do hashtag how to make egusi soup, comma, the thing will shift. It will move to another space for you to do another one. Even if you want to do like, if you don't want to use hashtag, but just make sure that anytime you do how to make egusi soup, comma, it's already a hashtag. Then if you're still doing your hashtag a day in my life, make sure you put comma so that it goes to the next line for you to use another hashtag in that particular video. I have already talked about it. So make sure that in as much as you're going to different platforms, going to different channel to go and watch how to grow and how to do this one, if you're growing that particular channel, if you don't know the things that you should do on your video, all those videos you're watching is a waste, because not all of them is going to show you the way to do all these things. Okay, we're all here. Yes, I know we are all here for the views, we are all here to get paid, but there are things that you should always make your research on and make sure that you follow the right channels that is going to teach you that, which is more. And that is what I do here. Anyway, don't mind me. Wherever you're getting your information from, make sure that you always do your research. Google is your friend. YouTube search is your friend. The inspiration tab is your friend. Okay, make use of all those things that I have called. And let me know in the comment section, do you make use of hashtag? Why are you not making use of hashtag? Do you know that there are channel hashtag that you should put on your channel that should be permanent? We'll be talking about that in our next video, so watch out for that. And whenever I film that, I will definitely be tagging this so that I will show you how to make a specific hashtag for your channel. It will be permanent, like people will be seeing it whenever they come to your channel. Okay, we'll be talking about that in my next video. For this video, I not press you. Who press you? For this particular video, it is how to add, why you should use hashtag. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you. Remember, subscribe to the channel, share this particular video, click on the bell notification, and please, I haven't been advertising my membership a lot. Please join my membership. Is another way for you to tap me at the back and tell me, oh, you have done a very good job. Someone is looking at me. But why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me, Oga? What's it happen? Come and subscribe to my channel, oh. I'll send you. Ta for you.